shit. My bad, bro. I'm gonna throw it on the floor, bro. Nah, bro, we're doing a video, bro.
Oh, everything good?
Yeah.
What happened, right?
Nothing happened. All right. Cool.
Smash no screen.
Instagram, right?
Spotted cars.
Good, bro.
Let's get it. We outside, yo. Get it. Let's get it.
Hey, Batman, man. We outside. Boom. Heaven, yeah. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K Bonafide with a new video, bro. Today we at Coney Island, bro. Today we're gonna be throwing fireworks at people, bro. Not actually, you feel me? But I got these little popper things, bro. You feel me?
What's good, bro? What's good? I got nutcrackers. If you need nutcrackers, bro. Yeah.
What is that?
I'm gonna show you, bro. You already know the New York shit, feel me? I don't know if you from out here, but look.
Yeah, I'm from New York, bro.
It's good and it's good. Oh, it's good and it's good. Shit, frozen still too. Nutcrackers, bro.
I bet. It's in. I'm gonna try to sneak in the concert, bro. Do some pranks for y'all.
You gotta subscribe to K Bonafide. He's hilarious. He's really, really funny.
It's nature right here. It's nature, bro.
Two girls ask the guy to ball everyone.
Thank you, bro.
I'm not gonna come out here with my hands dirty.
Particular.
You guys snake. Can I hold one? Can I hold it when you're done?
Yeah.
You don't see no love, but then you all do it, nothing but you even around me. Really not know.
Smash no screen. Where them all down, nigga? What you talking about, nigga? It's prank, none of that, nigga. You ain't see with me back on top right now, nigga? What are you saying, gang? Fuck the other people.
Hey, boy.
What the fuck, boy?
Mom, tear dog.
Yo.
It's a rainbow. Right there, but the camera's right there, bro. I'm just messing around, bro.
Play like that.
Messing around,
Play like that.
Messing around, bro. Damn, man, Tommy. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, you wildin', bro. What you doing, bro? You bugging, bro. Yo, we on it. It's a prank, bro. You're wildin', bro. It's a prank, bro. Bro, I'm playing around. What was that?
Damn. What the fuck?
That was you?
No, man. I drink it.
Oh, shit. Yeah, bro. Give me some, bro.
Stress isn't stress, man.
I'm 16, bro.
Oh, damn, man. That's not for today.
Bro.
Take a track.
That was you?
Nah.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, don't do that, man. Don't do that, man. That triggers me, man. Don't do that.
Oh, you get PTSD from that?
Nah, don't worry about PTSD though. Don't do that, man. That shit triggers me.
my brother. You
No,
disrespect me.
listen.
My bad, bro.
Don't do that.
My bad. Spinning back on this nigga, bro. He got tight. We're gonna do it again, bro.
Hey, yo, dude.
My bad, bro. It's a joke, bro. It's a joke. My bad.
Go down there with the kids and do that shit. Sit there, you record that shit. Stop that shit.
Shit. My bad, bro. I'm gonna throw it on the floor, bro. Snow bunnies, bro. Snow bunnies. You feel me? Shit.
Bro, relax.
My bad, bro. My bad.
What was that? That hit my legs.
My bad.
Go over there.
My bad.
It's alright.
I'm sorry. I'm about to throw it like on the floor. What? I'm about to throw it on the floor.
Don't do it. Go over there, bro. Go over there, bro. Relax, bro. Relax.
Where you from?
I'm from Brooklyn, bro.
What part?
Don't worry about it. Don't do it over here, bro. All right, bro? Relax, bro. Relax.
Don't do that.
Relax, bro. Relax. Yo.
Something happened?
Nah, bro. We're doing a video, bro.
Oh, everything good?
Yeah.
Nothing happened, right?
Nothing happened.
All right.
Nothing happened.
All right, cool.
My bad. Yo, bro.
Play like that, bro. What you really doing?
Really?
Play like that, gang. What's up with you, bro?
Come up out your pockets. Come up out your pockets, bro. I need that, bro. Come up out your shoes, bro.
What's wrong with this nigga, bro? Whoa.
Yo, sir.
My bad, bro.
What are you doing?
It's a prank, bro.
$5.
Nah, bro.
$5.
I can't, bro.
No, you
Nah,
really
wait,
don't.
I feel bad, bro. I'll give you $5.
$5.
I'll give you $5.
$5.
I'll give you $5, bro. Hold on. My shit's over here.
What is this for YouTube?
Yeah, bro. My bad, bro. I feel bad,
Bro,
bro.
like, why would you do that? Like, I mean, like, you just throw stuff at random people
My
for no
bad,
reason?
bro. Yeah, bro. It's
I
a
got
video.
you, no problem. But like, why are you trying to waste food like that? Like,
I'll
why?
give you $5, bro.
I know you did $5, but like, it's just a rude thing to do.
I feel it, bro. My bad.
What are you recording? What is your YouTube channel?
So you want to subscribe, bro? I'll type in your phone, bro.
I'm not subscribing to your channel.
Why not, bro?
Get out of here.
You got a boyfriend? What's your name?
Brianna, how old are you?
How old do I look? I'm grown.
Look like you like 20.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
There we go.
Can I talk to y'all real quick? Y'all do content too?
Yeah.
Y'all YouTubers?
Yeah.
Shit, what's y'all names?
What's your channel? You do YouTube?
K Bonafide, feel me?
K Butterfly?
K Bonafide, yeah.
Okay,
What's
so
your YouTube?
mine is Only Hope.
What do you do?
I do like vlogs, lifestyle, yeah, girly shit.
You do YouTube too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do YouTube too.
Okay, so what's your YouTube?
Oh yeah, let me get my phone out too.
When you started?
I just started 2 months ago.
Oh, 2 months ago,
2
okay.
months ago. How long y'all been doing it for?
I've been doing this for like 4 years.
4 years, damn. Yeah. You're 26 too? How old are you?
I'm 22.
22? That's my shit right there.
Are you gonna like it though? It's fine. It's annoying, but it's fine.
So y'all just do vlogs and shit?
Yeah.
What
kind of content you be doing?
I do pranks.
Oh,
I
pranks.
wanted to get into pranks, but I can't get into that. So,
Yes, some niggas
And I
pulled a
hit the
knife on me.
button.
shit, I'm not gonna lie.
You said some nigga just pulled a knife on you?
Yeah, from over there, bro. Yeah. Cause like we're going around, we're throwing these
Y'all
shit.
doing the little prank shit videos and they pranking people and then they going.
We're throwing these shits at people, and then I threw it at his girlfriend by accident.
You did a prank with throwing knives, y'all.
And then you bought it, right?
You wanna be my video, bro? Yeah, you wanna be my YouTube video, bro? No, YouTube video. Yeah. Bet. Hey, just follow us, bro. Follow us. You thought you were cute. You want his number? You thought you were cute. I bet. Yo, she wants your number, bro. Your girlfriend?
Who cares, bro? Oh no, he got a girl.
Alright, what about you? You want her number, bro? Wait, how old are you? How old are you? Y'all don't want her? Shit. I didn't want you, bro. Alright, can I get your number?
How old are you?
20.
Sure.
I'm 20.
Okay.
Bro,
I bet.
wait, where you from?
I'm from Boston, but I live here. I moved to
Boston?
857.
E57.
My name is Nelly.
How long? Nelly?
I live in Westchester.
How long you here for?
For like 3 months. I don't live in Boston anymore. I moved here.
3 more months. You said you'll be here? Shit.
I moved here.
Oh, you moved here? Oh, shit. I thought you lived in Boston.
Yeah, I did, but now I moved here.
Yo, we should hang out sometime. Let me take you out on a date. You feel me? Alright, can I get a hug? Can I get a hug?
Water sales.
Alright, man. What about that mango? I'm gonna water. Where you at? Yeah, what part of Brooklyn? $5.
Water, soda, mango. Water, soda.
Alright, as long as we get up to the number, you feel me?
Water, soda, mangoes.
You gonna follow me back?
I thought it was about to be one of those Android ones. You see that? No, I seen that YouTube video. You see when he pulls out the Android?
We're doing a video. We're throwing like fireworks at people.
Fireworks?
Don't throw none at me.
We're about to. Nah, not actual fireworks.
Nah, that's crazy.
Please don't do it.
Let me get some so I can throw them back.
Wait. Why would you do that in front of the babe?
That went on me, bro.
You almost just popped the babe.
I didn't mean to pop the. Nah. I didn't mean to pop the baby. I didn't see the baby coming. I didn't see the baby coming. I tried to keep at that girl. Like.